Russian guy fixes bump in car with the cunning use of a Sharpie. Some people in our society really do make the most of what they can in any given situation. Humans are, after all, pretty resourceful. Take this guy in Russia, for example. Unfortunately, someone in a truck had hit this guy's car in the Altai Republic near Kazakhstan and Mongolia. Most people in this situation would exchange driver license and insurance information and then proceed to get the car fixed right away. Some would even drive a temporary car until the damaged car is fixed. But not this guy. He took the matter into his own hands. Here's a photo of the original accident. Just like any typical car collision, the truck left a big scrape and a dent on the side of his car. There's no mandatory vehicle insurance in Russia. Nonetheless, the truck driver still gave the man money for the damages. Instead of taking his car to a garage or body shop right away, he decided to temporarily fix the problem with a few permanent markers. He covered up the damages with a magnificent drawing of the region. He used the slight dent to his advantage in creating a 3D effect with his mountains. Here's a close-up of the creative art. Unfortunately, this is only a short-term fix until the driver actually gets the door replaced. Anyone else think he should leave it the way it is?